What if I told you some outdoor upgrades give you big returns while others barely pay off? Before you start that backyard project, watch this. When the weather warms up, homeowners rush to upgrade their outdoor spaces. But not all projects are created equal. Today, we're breaking down the highest ROI outdoor projects, what's actually worth your money, and different ways to pay for it. ROI, or return on investment, is how much value a project may add to your home compared to what you spend. It reflects how much it could increase your home's market value if you were to sell. For example, if you spend $20,000 and your home value increases by $10,000, that's a 50% ROI. But here's the truth. Most projects won't give you 100% back. And that's okay, because the value a project adds to your lifestyle matters too. The highest ROI project might surprise you: a well maintained lawn. We're talking clean edges, trimmed bushes, healthy grass, and a working sprinkler system. Doing it yourself is a budget friendly approach and can significantly enhance curb appeal and how your home is perceived. Before you start a project, ask yourself, how do I want to live in this space? Do you want a relaxing garden, a place to entertain, or a kid-friendly yard? In dry climates, xeriscaping can reduce water costs and increase value. A deck or patio is one of the most popular upgrades and can add substantially to your home's value and your enjoyment. But costs can add up fast and will vary depending on the structure and materials and labor, which typically accounts for about 40% of the total project cost. This typically means the simpler the design, the better your ROI. Outdoor kitchens look amazing, but are they worth it? If you live somewhere warm year-round, this can be a great investment. But if you live in a cold climate where you may be cooking outside just a few months a year, ask yourself if the cost will be worthwhile for your overall lifestyle. Here are a few common outdoor upgrades that often give you the highest return and cost less. Garage and entry door upgrades consistently rank among the highest ROI home improvements. Whether it's replacing a two-car garage door or installing a new front entry, these relatively modest investments can significantly enhance curb appeal and, in many cases, return 100% or more of their cost. Stone veneer gives your home a curb appeal boost. Replacing vinyl siding with manufactured stone veneer on a street-facing facade can cost $10,000 or more, depending on the area you cover, while providing a 153% return. When planning your improvements, determine what your project will cost and include a cushion for rising material and labor prices. Decide what you can tackle yourself and what's worth hiring a professional for. Always make sure to get multiple quotes. Add extra budget for surprises, and don't assume prices from last year still apply. Try to avoid using credit cards for big home projects. With interest rates over 20%, it's typically the most expensive option. Here are some other common ways to fund outdoor upgrades. First, savings are your best option. Ideally, you will plan ahead and save up each month to pay for your upgrade. Second, personal loans. One of the most popular uses of personal loans is to pay for home improvements. These loans are available from banks, credit unions, and independent lenders, typically for up to $50,000, although some have higher limits. Personal loans come with monthly payments you make over time, usually between 2 and 5 years. You'll also incur origination fees and possibly late fees and prepayment fees. Qualification for the loan itself and the interest rate you'll receive is based largely on your credit profile. Lenders also will look at your debt-to-income ratio. Third, home equity loan or home equity line of credit. Some homeowners turn to home equity to fund outdoor upgrades. A home equity loan gives you a lump sum with fixed payments, and a HELOC works more like a credit card. You borrow what you need, when you need it, and pay interest only on that. Both options use your home as collateral, so missed payments could put your home at risk. Fourth, home equity agreement. A home equity agreement, or HEA, also known as a home equity investment, lets you access your home equity without monthly payments. There are no income requirements, and you can qualify with a credit score of 500 or higher. You receive cash upfront in exchange for a portion of your home's value when the agreement ends. With Unlock's HEA, you can settle the agreement at any time during the 10-year term. Fifth, home improvement loan. Some home improvement loans are generally just personal loans offered through lenders, often via contractor partnerships. Borrowers still need to qualify like any personal loan. Great outdoor upgrades start with a proper plan. Know your budget, build the plan around your lifestyle, and if you've got equity, you may not need a monthly payment to make it happen. Thanks so much for watching.